Hello everyone, I am Ritika Zuzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of machine learning, in previous video we discussed about what is meant by neural network. Okay, so we started our unit 6 which is based on the introduction to the artificial neural network. So here in previous video we discuss about what is meant by neural network. So in the neural network, there are two fundamental concepts. The first is the artificial neural network and the second one is the biological neural network. Okay. So in this video, first we discuss about what is mean by artificial neural network and how this artificial neural network works. Okay. And the real-time example of this artificial neural network also. So let us discuss first the fundamental concept of a neural network. The first part is the artificial neural network and second one is the biological neural network. An artificial neural network is an efficient information processing system which resemble in a characteristics with the biological neural network. So the artificial neural network possess large number of highly interconnected processing elements called as a node or a unit or a neurons. Okay. So in an artificial neural network, the large number of highly interconnected processing elements called as a node or a unit or a neurons which usually operate in a parallel and are configured in a regular architecture. So, so here all are the neurons are connected to each other. So each neuron is connected with the other by a connection link. So, So each connection link is associated with weights which contains the information about the input signal, which contains the weight contains the information of each input signal. X1 is the input carries the weight W1, X2 is also the input carries the weight W2. Usually operate in a parallel and are configured in a regular architecture. So each neuron is connected with other by a connection link. Each neuron is connected to other link called as a connection link. So each connection link is associated with weights which contains the information about the input signal. Which contain the information of about the input signal. So here the x1 is the input signal which carries the weight w1 and also the x2 is the another input signal which carries the w2 weight. So here the weights which contain the information about the input signal. So this information is used by the neuron net to solve a particular problem. So in artificial neural network, collective behavior is characterized by their ability to learn, recall and generalize the training patterns or data similar to the human brain. So they have the capability to model the networks of original neurons as found in the brain. So the artificial neural network processing elements are called neurons or artificial neurons. It should be it should be noted that each neuron has an internal state of its own. So this internal state is called as the activation or the activity level of a neuron, which is the function of the input the neuron receives. The activation signal of a neuron is uh, transmitted to the other neurons. So a neuron can send only one signal at a time, which can be transmitted to several other neurons. So the basic operation of a neural net consider a set of neurons. that is x1, x2, these are the neurons transmitting signals to the another neuron y. So here the x1 and x2 are the neurons, that is the input signal, and produces the output, that is y. Here the x1, x2 are the input neurons which transmitted signal, and y is the output neurons which receives the signals. Input neurons, that is x1 and x2, are connected to the output neuron y over a weighted interconnection links W1 and W2. So shown in this figure. So for the simple neuron net architecture, the net input has to be calculated in this manner. So y in equal to x1 w1 plus x2 w2. Okay, and y equal to function of y in. So output equal to function net input calculated. So y in is a net input and produces the final output, that is y. So function output equal to function in bracket net input is calculated. So where the x1 and x2 are activation of the input neurons, that is x1 and x2. So here these are the small x1 and x2, and the node contain or the neuron contain the capital X1 and x2. So here where the small x1 and x2 are the activations of the input neurons, that is capital X1 and capital X2. Okay, clear? So small x1 and x2 are the activation of the input, that is capital X1 and capital X2, produces the net input, that is y. The output y of the output neuron, that is capital Y. Output neuron is a y. X1, x2 are the input neurons. Capital X1, x2 are the input neurons, and capital Y is the output neuron. Small x1, small x2 are the activation of the input neuron, and small y is the net input. Uh, Calculation of a net input, that is output. So the function to be applied over the net input is called the activation function. There are various activation functions which we will discuss in the next lecture. Okay. This type of diagram. Okay. So this is a linear equation. When slope and the input are linearly varied, the output is also linearly varied, as shown in this figure. So this figure shows that the weight involved in the artificial neural network is equivalent to the slope of the linear straight line. Okay, so the weight involved in the artificial neural network is equivalent to the slope of the linear straight line. So this is the equation y equal to mx for this binary classification problem, where slope m is multiplied with the input signal, that is x. M is the slope directly multiplied with the input signal, that is x, and y is the output. Clear? So this is the artificial neural network. So first neural network type is an artificial neural network. So in that the human brain, okay, so here neural network and the human brain को भी consider करते हैं. So human brain कोई भी real world condition को यूज कर सकता है या फिर अडॉप्ट कर सकता है, बट कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, सो हमें इस टाइप का नेटवर्किंग क्रिएट करना है जो ह्यूमन के जैसे बिहेव करेगा. ओके, So, in the artificial neural network, the human brain is basically the very complex structure, and it cannot be viewed as a massive and some highly interconnected network of these neurons. So, the artificial neural network is an information processing paradigm that is inspired from the brain. So the artificial neural network, like people learn by examples, okay, and the artificial neural network is configured for the specific applications such as pattern recognition or data classification through a learning process, okay. सो अगर हमारे पास अगर हमें कोई भी पैटर्न को रिकॉग्नाइज करना है या फिर थंब मैचिंग का जो भी एग्जांपल्स होते हैं, सो उसके अंदर क्या करना है, हमें लर्निंग कैपेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड करना है सिस्टम को, ओके. सो दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ अ आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क. So this artificial neural network is basically the mimic the simulation of the biological neural network, which is there are the artificial neuron is called as a perceptron. So this ANN is a highly interconnected network of simple processing element called as a neuron. ओके. सो जो भी नेटवर्क है आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क को, हर एक एलिमेंट को हम क्या बोलेंगे, न्यूरॉन्स, ओके. एंड दिस आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क और सिंपली द न्यूरल नेटवर्क which are simplified model that is the imitations of the biological neural system. And therefore we can say that this artificial neural network is motivated by the kind of computing performed by the human brain. So the behavior of biological neural network, it can be captured by the simple model called as the artificial neurons and perceptron. Okay. So जो भी न्यूरॉन्स होंगे न्यूरल नेटवर्क के अंदर जो भी न्यूरॉन्स है उसको हम परसेप्ट्रॉन भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, विच इज कॉल्ड एज अ परसेप्ट्रॉन ऑल्सो. Okay, so there is so here is the example for artificial neural network is a handwritten characters. Okay, so in the example of handwritten character, where a character is written in these letters. Okay, so this is the input A. Okay, so they may write the same character. Okay, हर एक ह्यूमन क्या करेगा, उसकी राइटिंग डिफरेंट होगी. फर्स्ट पर्सन में ए को ऐसे लिखा है, सेकेंड वाला जो इनपुट होगा उसने इस तरह से ए लिखा है, एंड सो ऑन. सो अगर हम हर एक पर्सन के हैंड रिटन क्या हो सकता है, डिफरेंट हो सकता है. बट अगर हम सॉफ्ट उसके ऊपर अगर हम सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग अप्लाई करते हैं, टेक्निक अप्लाई करते हैं, सो वो क्या करेगा, ये जो लेटर्स है वो किसके जैसा है, ए के जैसा दिख रहा है, सो वो रिटर्न क्या करेगा, ए लेटर. ओके, so this is the example of artificial neural network. So many people write this letter in the different handwritten. Okay, so they may write the same character but in the different form. A is a different, so this A is a different, written by different part. Okay, so whichever way they write, we can understand the character because one already know how to character look like. Okay, so this character is look like A character, this character is also look like A. Okay, so this concept is can be compared to the our neural network system. Okay, soft computing, it gives the this character is look like A, this also character is look like also A. Okay, so this is the hand written character recognition. जो भी हमने हैंड रिटन कैरेक्टर लिखा है वो क्या करेगा, रिकॉग्नाइज करेगा कि किस टाइप का ये लेटर है. ओके, सो ये जो वर्क करता है सिमिलरली इसके जैसे ही हमारा न्यूरल नेटवर्क वर्क करता है. जितने टाइप के इनपुट है उसको वो क्या करेगा, रिकॉग्नाइज करेगा एंड आपको आउटपुट शो करेगा. थैंक यू.